Before you register, you have to check first to see if anyone has a similar trademark with you. Otherwise, if only 1 year later you know that your trademark is not registerable, that is a bit too late because you probably already start all your business operation, you already start all your printing and marketing. That's a lot of time and money. Why should you do a trademark search before launching your brand? This is a very important step because starting a brand is literally like a new adventure. You're probably going to start all your marketing, sales, things like that, start the printing. You're going to invest a lot of money on your new brand. But before you do all this, right, there is a minor but very important step is that you will have to check whether that brand name, the trademark, has been registered or not. Because trademark is not as simple as I created it, I designed it, means that I can own it. It doesn't work that way. You have to register in order to establish your legal ownership. But before you register, you have to check first to see if anyone has a similar trademark with you. Otherwise, the registration, the process is going to take about a few months up to a year. If only 1 year later you know that your trademark is not registerable, that is a bit too late because you probably already start all your business operation, you already start all your printing and marketing. That's a lot of time and money. So we would highly recommend you to go and do a trademark search before you even start using or register your trademark. Actually, doing a trademark search is not so complicated. We have actually summarized into 3 steps for you. The first step is you will have to identify which country you would like to register your trademark. This is for you to identify which database that you would like to search for your trademark. For example, if you would like to register your trademark in Malaysia, Malaysian Trademark Office, MyPo, has made their database available online for the public to do the trademark search. Other than the local trademark office, you can also use the database given by the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. They have a comprehensive and very easy to use database and interface for you to go and check whether there is any similar or same trademark with you. If you are not sure where to go, you can see our link below in the comment. We provided a link for you to go and check out the trademark. So after you have identified the territory, the country that when you go, then the next thing is you need to know which class that you register your trademark. Class is about the category of your product and services. A trademark is actually protected according to the goods and services provided under the trademark. You need to know your product and services fall under which class because you need to key that in when you do the trademark search. Then the third step only is to check your name. When you key in your trademark, your name there in the search box, right, when it doesn't show any result, doesn't mean that your trademark is safe. It's not as simple as that. You need to exercise or maybe be a little bit creative in doing a trademark search. You can imagine if somebody else want to copy your trademark, they might tweak here and there. They might change a little bit on the alphabet. They might change a little bit on the visual. So you can be creative in that. Maybe just check when people just cut one part of the trademark, or check if they change this alphabet. You can check according to different variations. This part you need to be a little bit creative and you need to exercise a little bit of discretion here. So to summarize the 3 steps to do a trademark search: first, identify the country. Second, identify your class. Third is to key in your trademark and do the search with creativity. After you've done the searches, you will be able to know is there any similar trademarks with you. Maybe you couldn't find any result, but from there you can tell what are the chances. If you are not sure about the results, you are always encouraged to go and seek help from the IP professional. The reason being, they might be able to see some risks that you are not able to see. For example, maybe some earlier marks, you deem it very similar to you, but when looking at the details, right, they still find that maybe there is a chance for you to register. They might be able to navigate and interpret the search result better than a layman. So we would encourage you to go and find a professional to help you to do the searches because they might be able to know how to conduct the search in more strategic way to optimize the search result. Other than that, they might be able to better interpret the search result as well. So if possible, while you can do the search yourself, we will recommend you to go and find a professional to do it for you.